welcome back again to Research Circle. The topic for today's discussion is somewhat different and will helpful to many researchers across the globe. So, here is the topic that no publication fees, publish free of cost in SCI Scopus Index journals. Now, in this particular video, we are going to discuss few journals which are free for publication and there is no article processing charges or article processing fees applicable in these journals. If your paper is of good quality, it will be accepted and it will be published in these few journals. So let's just quickly go to the list of the journals by one. The first journal comes here is Journal of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Okay, so this is a peer-reviewed open access journals and launched in 2011 and published bi-monthly. The frequency of publication is bi-monthly, means the issue will be published after every 2 months. Okay. So the publisher is like Jian Jiaotong University, and this is indexed in SCI, Scopus, PubMed Central, and DOAG. So this is the Journal of Pharmaceutical Analysis. If you belong to the particular field or your research work is belong to pharmaceutical, you can directly submit your article here. Okay. The next journal comes in the list is this is Journal of King South University and Computer and Information Sciences. Again, international journal, publishes original papers in this area, cover all the aspect of both foundation of computer, practical application and special issue within its scope resulting. Articles are subjected to extensive review by international reviewers. This is again a free of cost with no APC applicable to these journals. You can submit if you related to this field. Next in the list is this is Archive of Medical Research. Again, this is the Scopus journal and publishes original peer-reviewed medical research. This is belong to medical research. And contributions are grouped into 3 main categories, that is biomedical, clinical and epidemiological. Okay. Study of the diseases is presented from various perspectives, provide many author benefits and liberal copyright policies applicable to this particular journal, which is named as Archive of Medical Research. Now while I am telling this, you can directly check these journals on Scopus official website, that is scopus.com, and from there you can go to the official home page of the particular journal where you can submit your article. The next is International Journal of Mining Science and Technology. This is again a bi-monthly English language journal founded in 1990 and it was original journal of China University, an international exchange forum for the readers and authors, peer-reviewed and rigorously edited by specialists and authorities. Submission, review to publication online is handled electronically. This is also an electronic journal, we can say, or online journal. So just check out the official website and you can submit the article. The next is Geoscience Frontiers. This is published in English, high quality original research articles. GSF bridges innovation, provocative and challenging concepts and model. Research include petrology and geochemistry. GSF includes focus papers of high profile overviews published together. Again, open access publication that provides free full text downloaded of all the articles. Again, the next is Acta Ecologica Sinica. This is again with the no APC international journal, a monthly journal authorized by China Association, Research Centers for Eco-Environmental Sciences (CAS) and sponsored by Ecological Society of China. Publishers recent theories and innovation or novel experimental results in ecology. Journal promotes the development of foster research talents for ecological studies in China, contribute to the knowledge, innovations, and sustainable development and revitalization. The next in the list is Palo World. This is again a peer-reviewed quarterly journal. Original manuscripts on all the aspects of paleontology and stratigraphy is applicable. Comprises of regional and global data in time and space and result generated by the interdisciplinary investigations dedicated to serving a broad spectrum of geoscientists and paleobiologists. Fields are diverse. You can see on your screen there are various fields. So if you belong to one of them, you can just submit your article there. The next one is Acta Pharmaceutica Cis Sinica B. Okay, this is again a monthly journal which is in English. Publishes significant original research article including pharmacology, pharmaceuticals, medical chemistry, natural products, and many more. Founded in 1953, index in Chemical Abstract, Index Medicus. Okay. Again, the next in the list is Integrative Medical Research. Again, it is an official journal of Korea Institute of Oriental Medicine. Quarterly, it is a peer-reviewed and subsidized open access journal. You can directly submit the article here. Aim to provide the new research perspective on holistic, integrative, health, innovation, health, and prevention approaches. Okay, you can check out these journals. The next one is New Carbon Materials. Publishes the original article devoted to the physics, chemistry, and technology. Here, this is the broad spectrum where various fields will be covered. So, just provide benefits to the author such as PDFs, liberal copyright policy, special discount on elsewhere publications. These are also a less paid journal, we can say. Then the next one is Hematology, Oncology, and Stem Cell Therapy. International peer-reviewed open access journals provide a vehicle for publication of high quality clinical related aspects. So this is the journal. The next one in the list is Journal of Rock Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering. This is again a concerned with the latest research achievements, provides an opportunity for colleagues from all over the world to understand the current developments, aims at promoting the international academic exchange and functions. Okay, include new theories, new technologies, new methods, and experiences. Okay. The next one in the list is China Journal of Accounting Research. This is the theoretical and empirical research papers. Publish theoretical and empirical research papers. Journal encourage the application of economic and sociological theories, explore accounting issues under the different capital market, and journal will enable scholars to extract relevant issues about accounting, corporate finance, and corporate governance. So this is the list where you can submit your article, and they usually no charge for any article processing. So I hope this list will help you. For more details, just go to the official Scopus website. From there, you can directly go to the home page of that particular journal. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, do not forget to share it to your colleagues, and do subscribe to Research Circle for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care.